right, Baker Art friends, it's time to talk about Room on the Broom. I hope you enjoyed reading the story for you guys this week. And I wanted to also let you know that I put a link in the lesson. If you are Amazon Prime members, there is a link to watch a short animated video was created of this story, and it's so cute, and it has a wonderful message about including others in it as well. And the movie actually won an award. I think it won an Oscar, so for a short film. So it's super fun to watch. It's about a half an hour, so it doesn't take a lot of time, but it would also sort of give you a different perspective on the story as well. But they kept the same. There's no additional words, but sometimes you get some ideas based on how the characters are acting in the scenery, and so it's a super cool little thing to watch. So your assignment, I want us to I'm turning to this back page, and your assignment is to design your version of a new and improved broom for these friends to fly around on. And what I want you to think about is, as you're brainstorming in your sketchbook, maybe you want to think about, number one, who is riding on the broom, okay? In this case, it was a dog, a cat, the witch, the bird, and the frog. And these guys had seats, but the frog had a sort of little bowl to swim around in, and the bird had a nest. Maybe you want to change up the story. Maybe you want it to include different types of friends. That is totally okay. So that's one thing you can consider. And then another thing you can consider is, where are they going, right? 3, what is the weather, right? Is it hot and sunny? Is it cold? Is it rainy? These are some things to think about. With where are they going? They could be going anywhere. They could be going to a beach. They could be going to, maybe they're going back to the dragon's den to tell him something, right? Maybe they're going to the Arctic. Maybe they're going to outer space. So this is where you can really use your imagination. And then you can also think about, when you're designing the broom, think about what features, and by features I mean the types of seats. Does it need a light, right? This broom has a light in the front. The design of it, right? How's it going to look? So I hope this little brainstorm sheet helps you. And then after you do this little brainstorm and you kind of answer some of these questions in your mind, then you can go about making some of your ideas come to life. And you don't have to necessarily, when you're working on it at first, maybe you just want to sketch your ideas. So just do some rough sketches and some rough planning. And then after you figure that out, then maybe go ahead and draw your final version of the brooms. I'm not going to draw an example, because a lot of times what happens when I do that is then friends just use that example. But I want you to be so original, because you guys are even more original than I am. And so I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class or remotely on the screen.